Duration adverbs. Mastering time descriptions in English. Hello everyone and welcome to our video on duration adverbs. Mastering time descriptions in English. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of adverbs that describe the duration of an event, which are a key part of conversational English. Understanding these adverbs will help you express yourself more clearly and make your conversations sound more natural. So, let's get started. Duration adverbs are words or phrases that tell us how long something lasts. They give us information about the length or duration of an event. Examples include briefly, for a while, permanently, temporarily, and many others. These adverbs can help you add more detail to your stories, making them more vivid and engaging. There are many adverbs that can be used to describe duration, but let's look at some of the most common ones. Briefly, this adverb means for a short time. Example: I lived in New York briefly. For a while, this phrase is used to describe a period of time that is neither short nor long. Example: she studied in Paris for a while. Permanently. If something happens permanently, it means it will last forever. Example: he moved to Canada permanently. Temporarily. This is the opposite of permanently. It means for a limited period of time. Example: the road is closed temporarily. Try to use these in your own sentences, as practice is key to mastering these adverbs. Now, let's look at how we can use these adverbs in sentences. Remember, duration adverbs usually come at the end of a sentence, but sometimes they can be found in the middle too. Here are some examples. End of the sentence: we lived in Spain temporarily. Middle of the sentence: I have been working here, for a while, as an intern. Experiment with the position of these adverbs in your sentences to see how they change the meaning. It's time to practice what we've learned. Here are a few exercises. Try to complete these sentences using the correct duration adverb. 1. We will be staying here, blank. Choose between permanently and temporarily. 2. She will visit her parents, blank. Choose between briefly and for a while. Practice makes perfect, so be sure to keep trying these out until you're comfortable with them. And that brings us to the end of our video on duration adverbs. Mastering time descriptions in English. We hope you now have a better understanding of these essential English language tools and feel more confident in using them in your conversations. Remember, the key is practice, so don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in our next video.